Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Diwali and today I will be making Gulab jamun. So let's get started. Here I have my flour. I'm going to add my Namaste, Shub Diwali and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Diwali and today I will be showing you all how to make rasmalai. Rasmalai is a very delicious, rich and creamy dish, and I will be using plain powdered milk to make it even richer and creamier. Let's get started. Namaste, Shub Diwali and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Diwali and today I will be showing you all how to make rasmalai. Rasmalai is a very rich and creamy and heavy dessert, and I will be using plain powdered milk to make it even richer and creamier. Let's get started.
Perfect, you got it.
That's like cut off my head so the only can go on to
Take this thing over
and we go
here.
to
And I see like
Hi guys, I'm so excited to share this video with you all. This is a behind the scenes footage of Diwali 2025. I got the amazing opportunity to be featured on Nestle KLIM's social media platforms, demonstrating how to make two delicious Indian delicacies. And I'm so happy to share this behind the scenes with you all. You can find these recipes on their website, which would be KLIM Caribbean Mom. You can check on YouTube, Facebook, and even Instagram. So I hope you all take the time to go and check out those recipes, and I was so excited.
Yeah, that's what I like to
This is
hear.
one of the most content in 2025. So I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.
So you want to give your syrup a really good mix. Let me just grab those ingredients to start those dumplings.
Talk to me.
So I'm going to add, sorry. Okay, so I should start over.
Yes.
I'm going to grab my main ingredients.
Yeah, so now we're
Wait,
gonna.
before you go, I think let me give you some shots
Yeah, do it.
so she can flow afterwards without me having to replicate. So just
Oh yeah, you'll get that for showing this shot.
Right.
You'll get that for showing this shot.
Right, you're gonna put that down and then tell me about these dumplings, girl.
Okay. You want to give your...
Sorry.
you're not here, actually.
Yeah, you're not here. So I'm looking straight ahead, right? Okay. Alright.
Yes, I'll do this next time, right?
Okay, good to see you back. Namaste, Shub Diwali, and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Deepa Yankaran, and today I will be showing you...
It's still feeling the news, isn't it?
yeah. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up.
Shake it off, shake it off. You've done this so many times.
Oh my god, yeah.
But you're just talking to us, it's like almost like a conversation, like your cousin come talk to you, how you make this rasmalai? Get like, you know what I mean? Get conversational, get real company,
Okay.
and just talk to them like you're talking to a friend. Like, you put this in, welcome.
Yeah. So I should remove these things now. You don't need
Yeah,
any
you
of these
can
things, right?
move those things over there.
Mike, the rest things are all here. Put up here. And I will today we will have okay. It's okay to go all over. It's not something.
Just about the rest of them.
Right here as well. Something like that.
Yeah, something like this. You're going for this.
It's like coffee.
Smile. And you're happy. Money reach inside the bank account. Right? That's actually what's up.
Oh yeah, that'll go way better. That'll go way better. Talk about money. Let's make our man smile. Yeah, almost better. Yeah. You first said was like more like, oh no.
Yeah, like,
No, it's the thing on the point. Okay.
Okay. Camera rolling, go ahead.
Okay, so it's about that time. Let's check on our ras malai. Wrong fridge.
You can cuss it.
Alright, so go back. Yeah, okay. Oh, straight face. Okay. This smells so good.
You good.
Go ahead.
Yeah, good.
Now to just garnish this, I have some almonds, pistachios, and some of my saffron threads in here, and I'm just going to just gently garnish.
Don't worry.
Delicious ras malai.
Woo!
Yummy.
Yummy again. Do that one more time.
Delicious ras malai. Yummy. Let's taste.
Alright, taste this
Yeah.
one right up.
Taste that's coming right up and finish it right here. So easy, and the entire recipe is going to be on NestleRecipesCaribbean.com. Bye. This. Oh,
So it just drizzles out on
yes. Okay, got it.
as well, but when?
Yeah. Right?
What's that?
I'm burning, right? No, not awkward, but yeah.
Your pan is not hot. I just like using this method.
Yeah,
You probably
yeah.
want to get your bureau and your pan and your water
Yeah.
bottles and
Again. Excuse. So, yeah.
You just count out how much Sylvian see this get outside then.
yeah.
8, 70.
Cause she's still rolling, huh?
Yeah,
You're
so
really full.
you're supposed to have like maybe around 30, but to be honest, like it depends on your preference size. Yeah. So
Is that bar or a big truck?
I don't know.
I'm rolling. And action.
Namaste. Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Deepa Yankran, and today I will be making Gulab jamun. So let's get started. And it's going to add an amazing flavor to it. Cinnamon and elaichi, or ground cardamom. So to this mix. So much richness to it. You will love it, and I would definitely recommend that you all use it as well. By the way, did you know that fortificado is an all family?
MP.
I was so close. I almost did it. I said, yeah. I said the whole thing. I just didn't say milk powder.
I'm gonna cross on you.